In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link items in Monday.com. Linking items is a great way to keep related tasks and projects connected, even when they live on different boards. You'll be able to jump between work, reduce duplication, and keep everyone aligned. Here's how to set it up from start to finish. Start on the Monday.com home view so you can see your workspace structure. From there, open your Workspaces panel and navigate to the area where your project lives. Choose the board where you want the links to appear. This should be the board that will display the connections, not necessarily the board that already holds the items you plan to link to. Once your board is open, add a new column. Click the plus sign to add a column, and in the column picker, start typing Connect Board. The moment you see Connect Boards as a column type, select it. This column is designed specifically to link items across boards, so it's the right tool for this job. A setup panel will open to help you define what this column connects to. Click Select Boards and choose the board that contains the items you want to reference. If you have a lot of boards, use the search bar to find it quickly. After you've selected the right board, confirm by clicking Connect Boards. If you have access permissions set on certain boards, make sure you're allowed to view them so the items show up in the picker. With the column created, you can now start linking individual items. In any row, click the plus sign inside the new Connect Boards column. This opens the item picker. You can browse by groups such as all projects, or use the search field to find the exact items you need. Select the items you want to connect to your current row. You can choose more than one if multiple tasks are related. When you're done selecting, close the picker or press Enter, and you'll see the linked items appear as labels right in the cell. Repeat this for any rows that need a connection. If you accidentally link the wrong item, simply open the cell again and remove it from the selection. Remember, the quality of your links depends on clear naming on both boards, so consider standardizing item titles to make searching faster. That's it. You went from your home view, opened your workspace and board, added a Connect Boards column, chose the source board, and used the new column to select the items you need. With your items linked, navigating related work becomes quick and reliable, helping your team stay organized and informed.